What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, No Limit Chris, on the back with another green scene video. This ain't no banger, B. I keep telling y'all, this is not a banger. This a green scene video. What's cracking, GSG? I'm back with another lit reaction for y'all boys today. Today we got AMP Freshman Cypher 2021, John. Now look, we didn't react to the last AMP Cypher. Some videos, look, I'm gonna have to start getting better at that, bro. I be like, I watch YouTube a lot, bro. I watch a lot of YouTubers, bro. And I like to really sometimes with certain vids, I like to just watch people react to it. But I forgot I'm a YouTuber too. I gotta come react to it too. You know what I mean? So I gotta remember to start doing that. You know what I mean? So we gonna make sure we get on this one. It's already number 11 on trending. Hey man, we finna go ahead and get straight into it. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. If you do, turn on the post notifications. Follow me on social medias: Snapchat, Instagram, and TikTok. Links gonna be in the description box down below. Make sure you hit that sub button. We're on the grind to 2,000 subs. Hey man, let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Last freshman cycle was heat. The last freshman was heat, bro.
DTR Wayne says, Davis, please wear socks with your fucking slides, nigga. DTR Wayne, you used the wrong version to wear it. Dumbass, nigga. Hey, put your real face in your profile picture, bro.
ZEE9Ho says, what's bigger, Agent's forehead or Phantom's stomach?
Well, you know what I was thinking? No real shit. That nigga Agent need to braid his hair or you know what I mean? Braid, twist his, do something with his hair, bro. You know how long his hair is? That nigga Agent, bro. Taper the size. That nigga Agent could be comp. Because that nigga do gotta get them niggas right.
His stomach is probably bigger, but he could lose that. Can't do nothing about the forehead, man. It's there for life.
Jalen_26 says, Kai is 19 and is still the same height as me in 6th grade. Nigga, you on my dick. I'm way taller than you. Let me see. What profile picture is that? A Hello Kitty Jason mask while you looking around the corner, bro. You're weird. You're actually weird, bro. Glizzy 4K. OG Glizzy. Y'all niggas spell y'all names mad weird. No, because he wrote... Pause, bro. His name is the Glizzy, bro. All right, whatever. Why Phantom never dress appropriate for vids? I don't know what to say to that. What I say to that? Like real shit. Like I genuinely, but I really don't know what to say. Like I feel like I dress appropriate.
Thrills YT. People that put YT and TV after their name, y'all want more recognition than y'all actually, you know what I'm saying, work for type shit. But look, anyway, look. If Duke smiled one more time, I might have to punch them damn grills out, but I would never, because Duke would beat my ass. That is absolutely incorrect.
So he would beat your ass?
No, he said, nah, I wouldn't, because if I put my hands on Duke, then Duke gonna beat my ass, nigga. That's what I was saying, that's incorrect. No, I'm saying that part is incorrect. I'm gonna beat his ass, nigga. Y'all need to know how to play with me, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, manager next door said Chris got more injuries than AMP uploads. Nigga, I only got injured. On my dick,
that nigga got the crutch.
This nigga Davis get injured. This nigga Duke yesterday injured his groin. This nigga Phantom finger be hurting and shit. Nigga, I ain't the only nigga that get injured. Nigga, I just got the worst, you know what I'm saying? I tore my ACL and nigga, shit happened, nigga. But damn, nigga, you was on my dick. God damn.
BBO Quan asks, Agent lost 200 pounds and still fat. Hey, I'm 23% body.
Yo, that nigga Agent laughed like an old uncle. That nigga Agent smile is just funny, bro. That nigga. Look, that nigga's just an uncle, bro. I'm telling you, that nigga Agent's about 30, bro, 40. That nigga's gonna be telling old stories and shit. That nigga's gonna be, huh?
Hey,
I'm seeing the shorts.
I think they're in there. The third one. Yeah.
I'm 23% body fat. It's just loose skin, so I don't look as lean as I could be because I have a lot of loose.
Huh?
You take a black shirt
Yeah, I wore a black shirt with it.
and
And with them shoes.
the pink one.
Uh,
Damn, I'm nice. Where you get that from?
I don't know. From the store? From Nike, like Foot Locker? Yeah, Foot Locker.
Skin. Get off my ass crack though, bro. You're on my ass for no reason, Kermit. Work on you.
I don't do the pink and black shoes thing yet.
I know you're not perfect.
First, Kyron said Davis is legit bad at everything he does. He amazes me.
Yo, what's up? What's up with this man with the jewelry, bro? That man, hey, that hard. Don't get me wrong.
He's right.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, look at you.
A DO nigga, at DORG. Finna build like a lunch lady. You have another nigga as your profile picture, nigga, first of all, so. Subscribe to the video, suck my dick too if you talking shit, yeah, nigga.
Jake the gender flux. Your name weird, bro. Duke look like the cousin, not the baby. Bro, I don't look like that nigga, bro. You know what I'm saying? I don't look like the baby. I don't look like Moneybag. I don't look like none of them niggas, bro. I look like me. You know what I'm saying? So.
Whoever said Duke look like Moneybag is actually a bot. He don't look like the baby either.
Vulture 1300 said, Kai been the same height since 4th grade. God damn, nigga, you on my dick. You never seen me in 4th grade, bro. How you on the same height, bro? I grew like 4 inches, nigga. The fuck, nigga? I'm way taller than I was. And what's that profile picture? I'm on your ass, nigga. You turned around. You're literally turning. You're not facing the camera, bro. Like, bro, let me see how you look, nigga.
So, Jenna Ortega's boy best friend said, Kai, loud equals funny. Agent probably the smartest in the group, but shouldn't be proud of that. Shit, I know that's right. Shit. Dude, you're not even that hot, but my DMs are open.
Pause.
Davis, I'm only subbed to your channel due to pity. Phantom, being from New York equals a personality. Now, Chris, since we from the same country, you get an entire reply to yourself. You have probably heard you edit slowly, but you also edit badly. I would rather they just upload the raw footage by itself. I don't even check for vids on Monday. The only person I hate more than you is Waleed. Alright, nigga, you don't fuck with my editing, nigga. Nigga, this shit gone, nigga. This green now. This is a green screen. I ain't editing the rest of the video, nigga. The Cypher not gonna be edited, nigga. It's raw footage, nigga. Yeah, matter of fact, turn the lights off, nigga. This shit over with, nigga. Turn the lights off. Turn the lights off, nigga. Nigga, we doing this shit just like this, nigga.
W edit. Oh my god. What is? Okay, so we got B1. Oh, they did 3. Okay. Chris and Duke, Davis and Kai, Agent and Phantom. Now who could have had the hardest? Who could have had the hardest? For sure. And Chris and Duke coming out the gate with it. Low key, I feel like Agent gonna come with a different flow. He might go dummy with Phantom. What the heck?
Hey, don't you love that?
I low-key honestly probably got. I feel like David's gonna be too cringe. I think Agent and Phantom. That's my prediction. They might have the hardest one. W edits. Whoever said that just hating. This man Chris is an edit god.
Damn. Yeah, I'm about to have fun with this beat. Yeah.
Yeah.
Damn. Yeah. The woman you loving, the ones you fucking on. The hunters be keeping me fucking on. In the winter, remember stressing about school? I hated living at home on that fucking dome. Really been at this since I was 21. See me and my niggas, we 101. And P.
Hey, hold on. hard. Why he came on some? He lucky came on some big Scarr or something. So oh my mom, he lucky came some running that ride, running that. Hey, why Chris come on like he? Nah, he lucky sound like hey, Chris came on hard. Hey, hold on.
I, the woman you loving, the ones who you fucking on. The hunters be keeping me fucking one in the winter. Remember stressing my school? I hated living at home on that fucking dome. Really been at this since I was 21. See me and my niggas, we 1-on-1. And we ain't 1 year, 1 mil, but we ain't no one of them.
Yeah. If he want man, yeah. Hey, that's Chris be sliding. Chris be sliding, bro.
I hated living at home on that fucking dome. Really been at this since I was 21. See me and my niggas, we 1-on-1. And P 1 year, 1 mil, but we ain't no one of them. I'm about to fucking mumble. Diamonds on me, nigga. I've been jumping zumble. Had that bitch like a motherfucking number jumble. Nigga jump out that bitch like it's summer. Nigga jumping out of the bitch. 40, nigga right on my wrist. Nigga talking about the money, no funny. My nigga jumping out the right of my shit. Nigga jump out. They be like Chris. Why you tripping off them goddamn perks? They don't give a fuck about your knee. Your hands still work. Just to be blunt. Shut the fuck up about Mondays. I be smoking blunts on Sundays. I walk with a gun, but still gonna run to the money. Whole lot of blue money.
Yeah. Oh my god, he said fuck about to upload on Mondays. I be smoking blunts on Sundays. Yeah. No, why is he snapping? Why did he just snap?
Why you tripping off them goddamn perks? They don't give a fuck.
Oh, he said perks.
Be like Chris. Why you tripping off them goddamn perks? They don't give a fuck about your knee. Your hands still work. Just to be blunt. Shut the fuck up about Mondays. I be smoking blunts on Sundays. I walk with a limp, but still gonna run to the money. Whole lot of blue money. Damn.
Yeah. Come on.
Boy, ain't no fucking way Chris chose this fire ass beat. I was on D-Block other day, but they can't find me from the streets. Few years ago was fucked up, I ain't had nowhere to sleep. Now all these bitches in my DM, yeah, they average to me. I said, fuck all these niggas that's talking shit. All you niggas just troll on the internet. I got brothers who really be chopping shit. I said, fuck the streets cause I ain't internet. Had up for a hoe, but just had go. I play stupid a lot, but I play it slow. AMP, we hit a milli, but yeah, we just started a year ago. Hey, I hit a bitch the other day, but I ain't know her name. It happened way too many times, I can't get caught up in them ways. These hoes will do you dirty and be crying in your face. That's why you focus on your grind, hit on one time and do the race. I get love in the street, so I'm good regardless. Hard gone, so I'm heartless. Dead broke, I was starving. No more having money problems. Niggas saying I'm a target.
So I don't know why I ain't think Christian do. And we haven't even listened to no, but hey, I like how he, then when that beat, my mom, bro, oh my god.
Dead broke, I was starving. No more having money problems. Niggas saying I'm a target. Growing up in them apartments. Young nigga rockin' starter. Now I know how it feel to be dead broke, so I'm going harder, nigga.
Yeah, I just kill this shit. And things of that nature, though, you know?
Things of that nature. Oh, mama, let's get it. Davis and Kyle. Davis and Kyle, let's get it.
Don't make me do what you don't want me to do.
Davis.
AMP 1 mil, man, it's crazy. Move so tack, not even 100, these can phase me. Move so many plaques, not even 100, breach can case me. Still thank God every day, cause he amazed me. Came in 2015,
I thought the beat was gonna drop.
This year I'm going for the like I'm whispering to the
Hold on, why the beat?
Hold
on. Why the beat was so late on me?
Thank God every day cause he amazed me. Came in 2015, I never been a hater. This year I'm going farther like I'm whispering to the Lakers. This year I'm going harder like I left with Joe Frazier. Next year I'm going farther, take my talents to Jamaica. How you hate it through the net, you need to stop and get some pay to why you waiting. I'm up next, what's the point of waiting later? New crib, broke the internet, going through roof. Cypher got the black tents and it's bulletproof. Now I walk my city and I feel like I'm the man. I ran it out, we ran it out like Drizzy said it's God's plan.
Ravens.
Got some killers on my team, you think they John Wick. And the way I shove these balls, you think I play with sticks. Cold-hearted little nigga grew up in Project Bricks. I ain't had shit, been through a lot, I seen sad shit. Now I'm flexing on them cause I ain't moving average. Oh bitch, I don't need you. Got a new bitch, 2 blicks, 1 for me and you. We gon' move shit, 2 kicks. And you know they call us, they got cool kicks. Ever since
Well, why, bro? Why are they snapping? Can somebody explain to me why are they snapping? Why are they snapping so hard? Just why?
For me and you, we gon' I ain't had shit, been through a lot, I seen sad shit. Now I'm flexing on them cause I ain't moving average. Oh bitch, I don't need you. Got a new bitch, 2 blicks, 1 for me and you. We gon' move shit, 2 kicks. And you know they call us that got cool kicks. Ever since I've been up, I just been on cool shit. Bust out roll the avalanche, she gon' climb this avalanche. She gon' take this dick and she gon' say it wasn't average. She gon' take this one and I'm gon' leave and find a better bitch. Now I'm stacking bread, she want me cause she know I'm getting rich. I don't really do the shit, I'm just kinda used to it. Mike and Mary G's on me, nigga looking cool as shit. And I like she said she want me to scoop and shit.
Nigga, put that nigga in a headlock, nigga. Nigga. Agent, don't disappoint. Where your mom at, nigga?
You do you, I'ma do better. Big NP, apply more pressure. $1 million baby, 60 on the dresser. Yeah, I'll hit it, but I'll never sweat it. Y'all niggas never been on go. Section 8, baby, concrete jungle. Know how to.
Yes! Section 8, baby, on the junk. Look at Wacky. Look at his beats. Yo, where they getting these beats, bro?
You do you, I'ma do better. Big NP, apply more pressure. $1 million baby, 60 on the dresser. Yeah, I'll hit it, but I'll never sweat it. Y'all niggas never been on go. Section 8, baby, concrete jungle. Know how to hustle, been through the struggle. M4, a lot of winners in the tunnel. Eat at the deli, fuck Benny Hannes. Yeah, I dropped out. No, I'm not as color. Yeah, I make money. Yeah, I make dollars. Yeah, I probably make more than your father. Yeah, it costs a lot, but we make a lot. Remember back then I used to be pot. Give my mom a couple bands just to shop Gucci, Louis, Fendi, or the Prada.
Gucci, Fendi, Liddy on the Prada. Nigga, on the Prada. Nigga, I'm proud of you. Nigga.
Make money, yeah, I make dollars, yeah, I probably make more than your father. Yeah, it costs a lot, but we make a lot. Remember back then I used to be pot. Give my mom a couple bands just to shop Gucci, Louis, Fendi, or the Prada. Yeah, we not dreaming about it no more. We living in damn backyard pool, talk about dividends. I'm a CEO, nigga, top president, bring me that pussy. You know that I'm killing it. Pass me my goggles, you know that I swim in it. She like my style, she love me, I'm different. Fuck on her friend, just a strong consider. Damn, man. Win them, baby. Yo, AJ, where you at? AJ, where the fuck you at?
I'm living fearfully, got blessings on blessings. I fear for me, I fear my fears will see. I'm backed in a corner, even my peers can see. I appear to see a full court press is what it appears to be. Now watch me split, now watch me whip. My coupe down roads, my back street woes. That's just how it goes, to try to keep up. 180 on the dash, my mind's made up. So maybe I'm last, my Glock stays tucked to go crazy on the gas. I'm hazy on the graph, my shot stays up. I stays up. It is not their time, do not phase up. You're a baby on the glass, I get crazy when I'm fast, and I get lazy when I'm masked. A real daisy in the grass, I'll be 80 when I pass.
Hold on. I transform, call me Aaron Jagger. I'm a beast, no, I'm not a hater. I cook up, call me Phantom Baker, pipe down, yeah, give me all the flavor, say goodbye. What? Outside the way, go, y'all niggas so like some Play-Doh. Y'all gotta go before my little Uda slide and turn you niggas some halos. I do not care what you say. Bitch out to Barbados, she fuck with me, I get paid, so spend whoa, you wildin', bro, chill.
Nigga. Yo, why they just snap? Yo, why they just snap like that, bro? Why did they just snap like that, bro? Why? Oh my goodness. Yo, these niggas just went crazy. Hold on.
That's a
Hey man, these niggas just went crazy. These niggas just went stupid, bro. Hold on, bro. Let me run one of these hoes back.
No grind here on one time.
Hold on.
I said nigga down by.
Let me run Chris part back.
Damn, I'm about to have fun with this beat. Yeah. Aye. Damn. Yeah. Aye.
The women you loving, the ones you fucking on. The hundreds be keeping me fucking one. In the winter, remember stressing my school. I hated living at home on that fucking dome. Really been at this since I was 21. See me and my niggas, we 101. And P1, yeah, 1 mil. But we ain't no one of them. I'm about to fucking mumble. Diamonds on me, nigga. I been jumping somewhere. Had that bitch like a motherfucking number jumper. Nigga jump out that bitch like a summer. Nigga jumping out of the bitch. Body, nigga, right on my wrist. Nigga talking about the money, no funny. My nigga jumping all the right on my shit. Nigga jumping, they be like Chris. Why you chipping off them goddamn perks? They don't give a fuck about your knee. Your hands still work. Just to be blunt, shut the fuck up about Mondays. I be smoking blunts on Sunday. I walk with a limp, but still gonna run to the money. Whole lot of blue money, damn.
Yeah. Hey, hold on, I want to hear Duke.
Boy, ain't no fucking way Chris chose this fire ass beat. I was on D-Block other day, but they can't find me from the streets. Few years ago was fucked up, I ain't had nowhere to sleep. Now all these bitches in my DM, yeah, they average to me. I said fuck all these niggas that's talking shit. All you niggas just troll on the internet. I got brothers who really be talking shit. I said fuck the street cause I ain't into that. Hell up for a hoe, but just had go. I play stupid a lot, but I play it slow. AMP, we hit a milli, but yeah, we just started a year ago. Hey, I hit a bitch the other day, but I ain't know her name.
Hey, that nigga Duke went from Future to Big Scarr on my mama. Hey man, I ain't gonna hold y'all a little too longer, man. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it right there, bro. Hey, I enjoyed this video, man. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like, share, subscribe if you're new. Turn on the post notifications. Follow me on all social media: Snapchat, Instagram, and TikTok. Hey man, I was lit, man. I enjoyed this. It's your boy Chris, and I'm out this thing.